Hey boys and girls, it is Miss Lambert again, and I'm here to do some more science with you. So this week we've talked all about sounds. We talked at the beginning of the week of how sounds are made. And sounds are made through vibrations. A vibration is a back and forth motion, okay? And so that's how sounds are made. Today we're going to talk about the difference of sounds. Which sounds are easier to hear. So let's look at our question that we're going to talk about today. What kinds of sounds are easy to identify? Okay, I have some objects here that we are going to look at, and we're going to see which are easier to hear. Are heavier objects easier to hear, or are lighter objects easier to hear? Okay, let's start with our first two objects. I have a plastic spoon and I have a washer. Plastic spoon like you eat with, and a washer that you use as a tool, okay? I'm gonna drop these on the table and see which is the easiest to hear, the spoon or the washer. Let's drop the washer first. Let's drop the spoon. Which one was easier to hear? The spoon or the washer? The washer, that's right. Do you know why? It's because the washer is heavier than the spoon. So what kinds of sounds are easy to identify? Heavier objects are easier to identify because they're louder. Let's look at two more objects. I have a paper cup and I have a clothespin. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Let's drop the clothespin first. Now let's drop the cup. Which is easier to hear? That's right, the clothespin, because the clothespin is heavier and it's easier to hear. So what kind of sounds are easy to identify? Heavy objects are easier to hear because they're louder and they weigh more, okay? So now tomorrow, we're gonna think back to this experiment and we're gonna draw a picture in our journal about what we did today. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye for now.